Welcome back to a bookish video from the Mouse Diva.
Moving pictures. Hello there, moving picture.
What's up, Doc?
I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
Today I have the February 2024 Once Upon a Book Club subscription box. Now, before I forget, you can get a discount code if you would like to subscribe to Once Upon a Book Club. And so, I have already seen this book everywhere. So there is already some hype about Kristin Hannah's The Women. Hardback. Pretty thick. Let's see how many pages we are at. This is an almost a 500 page book. Ooh, I am liking like the gold gilding there. So nothing fancy or anything about the regular cover. The jacket kind of pops with the red and the gold though. So this Kristin Hannah, this author, she was actually a child when the Vietnam War started and 13 when it ended. She remembers watching the black and white images on TV. She knows how a lot of these, just basically boys, young men, were sent off with almost no training, and then when they came back, they were almost shunned. She also remembers that there was a lot of women that were involved in the Vietnam War. Most of them nurses, but not all of them. And she started collecting their stories. So this particular novel here, Women Can Be Heroes, when 21-year-old nursing student Frances Frankie McGrath hears those words, it is a revelation. Raised in the sun-drenched, idyllic world of Southern California and sheltered by her conservative parents, she has always prided herself on doing the right thing. But in 1965, the world is changing, and she suddenly dares to imagine a different future for herself. When her brother ships out to serve in Vietnam, she joins the Army Nurse Corps and follows his path. I won't get into the rest of it. It will be quite a while before I get to this book, and that's okay. I normally do not read what everybody else is reading at the time they are reading it. It's not necessarily on purpose, it's just how it ends up. So, you know how this works. Every page has a little sticky note and a gift. So on this page, well, 120 is this gift, page 314 for this one, and page 245 on that one. Oh, I almost forgot this one. Page 453 on this one. But before that, let me just show you the quote card. The women had a story to tell, even if the world wasn't quite ready to hear it. And the same thing on the bookmark. Oh, there we go. Thought I'd lost it. Okay, you ready to do the guessing game? You know I love this guessing game, and normally I'm pretty good at it. But that's because normally they're really easy. So we have page 120, we have our first sticky note, and it is normally the clue to whatever's in the box or the gift is right underneath. But sometimes it's a little bit further or behind, so we'll see. It seemed like a lifetime ago that he pressed it into her palm. Well, pressed what? So I'm gonna have to go a little further. Frankie reached into her pocket and pulled out a felt-tipped marker and the small gray stone she'd been given by the young Vietnamese boy. Why is that a tongue twister for me? So it's heavy. So I'm guessing it's some type of stone because it is so heavy. And it makes that little noise because it's obviously not a marker. Oh, and it is. It is a stone. It is a, oh, it's soap? It's soap. River Rock soap. Oh my gosh, it even has an expiration date. So it's wow. Expires 2027. And then this actually says the whole quote of what the whole passage of what I just read you. River Rock soap. That is really cool looking. I can't, it doesn't have a scent. I don't want to open it. Wait a minute, it says, "You fight River Rock soap." Like that's what those words right there say, is "you fight." So I'm not going to open this because this is a perfect gift for either my son or my husband, either one. So I could give it as Father's Day. I could give it as his birthday present in May. I could hold it in September and give it to my son, who does probably use these types of soaps more than my husband. So this is really cool gift. You guys that have been watching a while, you know that this is how I get a lot of the gifts I give, is through subscription boxes. Okay, so next up, page 245. Loving the whole helicopter plastic bag there. 245. So a lot of these way at the end. 245. Okay. Barb set the radio on the ice chest and cranked up the music. Well, I'm going to say it's some type of insulated bag. Oh. Ooh. It is a collapsible cooler. Okay. Oh. With books on it. Keeping it, because it has books. It's not going as a gift. So I can go ahead and open this. A collapsible cooler. I am so curious here. What? It's like, oh my gosh. It's like a little picnic basket. Be the best version of yourself. I love this. And so I was right. It is an insulated bag. This is so cool. And so it actually, see the straps? That'll actually come off. It's Velcroed so that you could clean it. And it does have like a, like cardboard at the bottom underneath. That is awesome. Thumbs up. Love it. Okay, what do we have now? We have page 314 with the little, stars and the red, white, and blue. That's very appropriate. So, oh, I just opened this up. That's nice. Look at that. We actually have like pictures in here. In a country where youth is adorned, we lost ours before we were out of our 20s. We learned to accept death there, and it erased our sense of immortality. We met our human frailties, the dark side of ourselves, face to face. The war destroyed our faith, betrayed our trust, and dropped us outside the mainstream of our society. We still don't fully belong. I wonder if we ever will. Winnie Smith, American Daughter Gone to War. Wow, I literally just got chills. I got chills. And if I was wearing short sleeves, I would show you my chills. All right, I'm trying 314. Oh, it's right underneath like a little letter. Frankie rubbed lotion into her mother's dry hands. Well, that's easy. This is no doubt lotion. Without a doubt. Ooh, that's good. Lotion's good. Please be a good scent. Please be a good scent. Oh, yes. Calm lavender hand cream. And it's, oh my gosh, my hair. What is going on? The rich formula absorbs quickly into your skin to instantly soothe dry skin. The gentle lavender scent can relieve stress and bring a dose of calm into your everyday. Shall we try it? Let's test. Oh, we got to get the little silvery thing off. Dude. Hello. Nope, going back in. Oh, a little shy. Oh, hello. Oh, no, going back in. A little shy. Okay, sorry. All right, what do we smell like? Okay. this. How thick. It's not very thick. It is kind of watered down. So, it just has a very, very faint lavender smell. It's not a big, not a huge lavender smell, which I do like to put on either lavender or eucalyptus lotion before I go to bed at night. So, it's okay. It's not something I would necessarily buy at the store or look for again, but it totally does the trick. And our last page 453 and 453. Here we go. A dozen pins and patches decorated it. Mementos her patients had given her. So, it is not thick enough to be a patch. Like you wouldn't think anything was in it. And of course the whole dog tag and the camouflage is like absolutely brilliant. So, what? Stickers? Stickers? You have a story to tell. And read books, choose love, and show yourself more love. Okay, well, that's cool because remember I said I filled out a survey and I mentioned to them about maybe some decals or stickers. That's what we got. That is pretty cool. All right, so, I mean, this cooler right there, I like this box. This is a good one. And what? I only have one gift. I'm keeping the rest. That's crazy. Okay. So remember, want a discount? Use that link down below. Subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you know when I upload another bookish video, because I upload a Disney video and then a bookish video and then a Disney video and then keep on rotating like that until the next page.